Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start new topic, that is types of friction. Okay, in which the first video is for static and sliding friction. Okay, see, there are four types of friction. First is static friction, second sliding friction, third rolling friction, and fourth fluid friction. Okay, and I'm going to explain you all these four kinds of friction in today's lecture. See, the first one, very first one is types of friction. First one is static friction. What is static friction? As its name indicated, static means it is at rest state. Okay, so in this kind of friction, one object will be at rest state or it is just about to move. Okay, so it is defined as the frictional force that acts between the surfaces when they are at rest. All right, when the objects they are at rest with respect to each other, then this kind of friction will move. Or you can say, just see, this sofa is at rest on the ground, and when you just start moving it, or just when you give it a first push, then the kind of friction will be applied will be static friction. Okay, so it is static because it was in rest state. Alright, static friction causes these two surfaces to stick together slightly. It will cause to these surfaces, the surface of this one sofa and the surface of land will stick together slightly. Example, another example can be book resting on your table. Okay, if there is a book which is at rest state on your table and you just start to move it, you just about to move it, then this kind of friction will be called as static friction. All right, see, another or the second kind of friction will be sliding friction. Okay, sliding, as its name indicated, it will work when objects will slide. Okay, see, as picture is also indicated, sliding, this friction comes into action when a surface slides over another surface. Okay, when an object slides over another surface, then this kind of friction will work or it comes into action. All right, and it resists its motion, which is called as sliding friction. Suppose here example is given here, sliding of book or box over the ground. Okay, first example is that when your book is sliding or a box is sliding over a ground. Okay, then this kind of friction will be sliding friction. Another example, see, these children, they are sliding on the snow. Here you can see the surface of this slide is sliding on the snow. Okay, or this boy is sliding on the slide swing. Okay, you can see, so this, when friction will resist this one object motion, okay, then it will be called as sliding friction.